Okay, so out back here where the tree was cut down, right here, I can see that even though I opened it up there, that whole area, by the looks of it, that whole area right from that rock all the way to that big rock, that has to be opened up. I can see that now. There's no fooling around. This is a lot of water. So it's not just a matter of opening up where I did open it up. I obviously have to, like I say, right from that rock to that rock, that's all going to be opened up. I think everywhere is going to have to be opened up a good 5 feet. Because even what I've done here, and it is running really well down here, well, it is going around some rocks. I'm kind of doing that for a reason to slow it down a little bit, but as you can see, this has got to be opened up. It's already going over there. It's already flowing over there anyway. So, and these are big, pretty darn big rocks. And I'm going to have to try to move them somehow. But it's going to have, the mouth of this is going to have to be opened up at least 5 feet all the way down for this to empty properly. There's no doubt in my mind. Because again, this is just another rainstorm that we had, and even though I've removed the tree and opened it up, it's still flowing this way and still all coming down this way, which I don't think will be a big deal if I open this up so it doesn't back up, because right now it's being held back and it's at least 6 inches deep right there because it's being held back. So the whole idea is for the water to flow with hardly any restrictions, and then we won't get this back up here. At least I won't get the back up, hopefully. Okay, so that's this part here. Like, it's even coming over there because it's backed up there too. Like, this is a fair amount of water. So opening it up as much as I can right there is what I'm going to have to do. I'm going to go up further, see how it runs up there.